Pranam, my name is Poli Parihar and I welcome you all to Sai Yoga. Dear friends, this is day 1 weight loss challenge, so let's begin. So first let's start with the heel raises. Feet should together. Inhale, raise your heels up. Exhale and heels down. Today we are going to use our ankles, so make sure to ease your ankles completely and warm them properly. Inhale, heels up. Exhale, heels down. Simply 10 times. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do the little walking and try and start doing the proper wrist rotations. So keep doing the Spotify walking or keep raising your heels on the same spot. That's how activate your ankles, your wrist, and warm your body also. Okay, now simply make or draw the little gap between your both legs. Inhale, bring your both arms up and give the nice and deep stretching to your entire body. Inhale, raise your both heels up, hold, take the deep breath inside and do the proper engagement of your core. Start fixing your heels on the ground and press your hips back and the proper perfect distance between your legs and hold here at the Utkatasana. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Take the deep breath inside. Inhale, straight your body and back. Exhale, lean your body a little to the forward fold, bend your knees and straight your spine 90 degrees. Either you can take support. Take the deep breath inside and exhale. Make sure to keep your entire back straight while you're doing this. Exhale, drop your both hands on the ground between your feet. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, bring your arms up, straight your legs. Open your heart, chest and try to do the proper engagement of your hip muscles and your thighs. Exhale. That time no need to bend your knees, both hands 90 degrees. Stay here for 3 breaths. If you can gaze up, it would be great. Bend your knees and come to the Utkatasana. Exhale, fix your both hands between your feet and gently go step by step back and drop your knees down. Inhale, move your body towards your hands and straight your legs. Exhale, drop your knees down and try to touch your hips with your heels. Inhale, move your body forward. Exhale, drop your knees down and try to touch your hips with your heels if possible for you. Inhale. Inhale forward and exhale back. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, tighten your body, tighten your arms, use your wrist. Exhale and gently back. Inhale, come to the tabletop position and raise your right leg up from the back. Stretch your toes outside. Now with the exhalation, move your leg by the side. Maybe initially it would be hard for you. You can fix your leg on the ground and drag it back. Exhale, move your leg by the side. Either you can maintain in air or you can fix it on the ground. Exhale and back. Exhale and inhale. Fix your leg on the same spot. Straight your left leg. Engage your core. Exhale and inhale. Exhale and inhale. Exhale and inhale. Leg to the same spot. Now simply off your knees from the floor, press your body back and stay here with the knee bend and heel raise, downward facing dog. Stay here for 5 breaths. Press your upper body back as much as possible for you and make sure keep holding the posture according to your capacity. 3 more breaths. Keep gazing towards your navel if possible for you. Active your arms, active your fingers and keep pressing your palms against the floor. Now bend your knees more and step by step forward. Stay here, straight, forward fold. Stay here for 5 breaths of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now let's do it with a fast pace. Move your right leg back. Stay here 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Move your left leg back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right leg by the side. Now gently right leg back. Left leg by the side. Utthana Prasthasana. Then come to the Kumbhakasana. Now right leg by the side and then back. Non-stop 10 times. 10 breaths. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your knees down, move your body back. Inhale, again come to the Kumbhakasana. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Move your body back, bend your knees and wide your both legs and make the proper mat with gap between your both legs. Now move your body maximum back and stay here, lose your head and keep gazing towards your navel. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend your knees more and come to the half forward fold. Grab your shin, either you can grab your thighs. Stay here, try to open your chest and heart. 3, 2, 1. Inhale, bring your arms up and exhale, twist your body. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, twist your body. Inhale, bring your arms up and go back. Engage your hip muscles. Exhale, 90 degrees from the floor. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, twist. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, up and back. Exhale, 90 degrees. Now, Padasthasana. Bend your knees. Step by step back. Downward facing dog. Now move your left leg between your both hands and drop your back leg down. Now try to balance out your body. Bring your both arms up and your index finger pointing outside. Try to flatten your back leg thigh as much as possible for you and align your legs. Stay here. 3, 2, 1. Gently your both palms down. Tuck your back leg, feet toes inside and downward facing dog. Now bend your both leg knees and your right leg between your both palms. Tuck your back leg knee down, flatten your feet, interlace your fingers and bring your arms up. 3, 2, 1. Now shift your body little back and exhale, go to the forward fold. Now inhale up, open your heart and chest, exhale, try to touch the floor. Inhale, open your arms that time, open your heart, provide the proper space to your chest, your core. Exhale, touch the floor. If it's difficult for you, you can stay here in the air and try to balance out your body. Now hands here, move and switch your leg. That time your left leg between your both palms. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, do the half split. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, half split. Beautifully doing. Now that time, open your arms and heart. Exhale, go back. Last and final inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, your hands should be here. Now tuck your back leg toes inside and come to the downward facing dog. Bend your both leg knees, step by step forward. Take support from the back and sit. Now lift your left leg up, then your right leg up. Take support from the back, stretch your toes inside and stay here for 5 breaths. 5, make your knees a little far from your belly. 4, 3, 2, 1, straight your left leg. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, straight your right leg. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, bend your left leg knee. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, bend your both leg knees. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Straight your left leg knee. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Straight your right leg knee. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend your left leg knee. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend your both leg knees. Stay here. Release support and come to the half board pose. Either you can support your thighs if it's being difficult for you. 5, 4, keep your spine straight. 3, 2, 1. Cross your leg, right leg over your left one. Now your palms on the ground, raise your hips up from the mat and go step by step back. Press your heels down. This is the proper downward facing dog and move your upper body back. 5, keep gazing towards your navel. 4, press your stomach walls inside. 3, 2, 1. Bend your knees and come to the Malasana or press your hips down as much as possible for you. If it's being difficult for you to go complete down, then you can stay here. Okay? Step by step back, downward facing dog. Press your heels down. Now bend your knees and step by step forward to the Malasana. Non-stop 10 times. Let's do it together. Exhale back. Press your heels down. Now come back. Inhale forward. Exhale back. Exhale back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Simple Malasana and the downward facing dog. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bend your both leg knees. Step by step forward. Ardha or half forward fold. Stay here. You can bend your knees a little bit if you want. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Bring your arms up and raise your heels up from the mat. 5. Engage your core. 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your heels down. Exhale, twist your body, look back and bring your arms up. Inhale, raise your heels up. Exhale, heels down and twist your body, look back, up in center, inhale and back. And namaskar. You can practice this flow twice, and one more thing, that after entire sequence, make sure to do the proper relaxation so that you won't feel tired after this flow. So simply lie down on your mat and relax your body, and this is completely up to you. You can rest for 5 minutes, either 10 minutes. Lose your body, lose your arms. Simply breathe. Breathe in and breathe out. That's it. Open your eyes, bend your knees, take left turn and come back. Isn't it easy? So practice this flow and keep yourself physically and mentally healthy and fit. And if you give lots of love to this video, then I would keep creating such content for you. After this video, you could have a look over this video. Till then, stay fit, stay healthy, have a sigh of relief.